Okay, so the second question is a trig question, right? So we have the graph of cos, and we have to show that this equation has one real root, and then part B is using the small angle approximation. Okay, so what was it? I mean, I guess you can start by like remembering that like this is gonna be 1, and then this one's gonna be -1, right? Because that's just what you have to know about cos graph. So we have to show that cos x minus 2x minus a half is equal to 0 has one root. So let me write it out. So what you want to do for this one is you can't use like any quadratic stuff or anything because of like the cos in there, right? But we already have the graph of cos, so I don't really know like how to explain this, but like just try and rearrange this into like something that you know. And in this case, what we know is that y is equal to cos x. So if we do cos x is equal to, then if you put both of these onto the other side, so plus 2x plus a half. I don't know why one's so tiny. Okay, there. So you'd have this, right? And then like, I don't know, like, the reasoning behind it. I mean, I guess because, like, we know that y is equal to cos x, so that means this is equal to y, so this is also equal to y. So, in a way, you're just drawing the graph of y equals cos x and y equals 2x plus a half, like, on the same graph, right? And then, for the only one real root thing, so that means that the graph of cos x and the graph of 2x plus a half, they have to only meet like once. So let me just show you. I'll just draw out. So the graph of 2x plus a half. Okay, so the intercept bit is going to be like here because that's a half, right? And then if the gradient's 2, I mean I don't really know what to do about the gradient, but just I don't know, draw it like that. Right? Okay, I didn't really get exactly on half. But yeah, if you see, yeah, both of these lines, they only meet here. I don't really know how to highlight that. I guess actually maybe I choose this one. Okay, look, they only meet there. I don't think you really need to explain it because it's only 2 marks. So I think it's probably like fine if you just draw this and then maybe circle that they only meet at one point. Right, let me check the mark scheme. Okay. Yeah, so they just drew it. Okay, yeah, then I guess you should just also write like something like, I don't know. Oh, what is happening there? Okay, there. The graphs. No, I guess not the graphs. The lines only meet once, therefore only one real root. Yeah, okay. Then for the next part, given that the root of the equation is alpha and that alpha is small, use a small angle approximation for cos x to estimate the value of alpha to 3 decimal places. Okay, so the small angle thingy, that's like not given in the formula booklet, so you just need to know them. This question you don't need to know the sine or the tan one, but I'll just write it out because like you should know that anyways. So like sine x is equal to x, tan x is equal to x, and then cos is the only one which is different. Cos is 1 minus x squared over 2. So if we use that here, what you want to do is just replace the cos x here with this. So if you do that, you get 1 minus x. Oh, okay. I really suck at writing everything. x squared over 2 minus 2x minus a half is equal to 0, right? Yeah. Okay, and then just start rearranging. I mean, you can see that there's an x squared and an x, so you know you're gonna have a quadratic, right? So you could either just times everything by 2 or just leave that bit as minus a half x squared. And then you got minus 2x, and then you have 1 minus a half, so that's gonna be plus a half equals 0. 0. Okay. And then you can put that in your calculator. Again, I'm not using my laptop one, so just pretend that you can see what I'm doing. But I'm basically just putting into the quadratic solving bit thingy. Plus that. Okay, so I got that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 5. Okay, and then it said to 3 decimal places, right? So if I convert those, so that's x is equal to 0.236, or that's for minus 2 plus root 5. Okay, and then for the other one, it's minus 4.236. In the question, you have to notice that it says the value, not values with an S. So it's only one of these. And since we're doing small angle approximation, so alpha has to be small. That means that it has to be the first one, because like 4 point something, that's like not small. So that means x is 0.236, and then if you check here, yeah, okay, they got that too.